Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about Excel's basics. Okay. In this video we will see all the options available in a ribbon. Okay. What is ribbon? This is the complete ribbon. Okay. Ribbons has tabs. Inside tabs you have options. Okay. So in this video we are going to learn about all the options available in different tab under a ribbon. Okay. This is a ribbon. This whole we call it ribbon. We have an inside ribbon, we have home tab, insert tab, page layouts, and under page layout we have many options. Okay, so first of all we will start from home where we have options. First we will see clipboard. If you see, all the options which are related to each other, okay, are clubbed together and made a group. Here we call clipboard is a group, font is a group. All the related options are combined together. If you see, uh, the font shape, font size, all the things, all the options related to font are combined together and made a group is made over here. Okay, now, so first of all we will start with cut copy. That is very simple. Okay, suppose you want to copy, okay, this amount of data to a different location, so you can use this copy option. Okay, click on copy, and I want this data. You can see a dancing and has come. That is the area or the data is copied. Okay, I want to paste at this place, so I will use paste directly. Okay, inside paste we have many options. If you click on this arrow, okay, if you click you will get a lot of options like paste. You want to paste only the formatting, only the numbers, and if you want to make the transpose and all, okay, you can also paste the picture and all that we will see in detail in our when I will create uh, a particular video for the paste special. Then okay, now in this video we are only seeing the options available over here. Now we will see the cut. Difference between cut and copy. Copy will copy the same data at a different place, and both at both places you will find the same data. But when you are copying a data, like if you want to copy, if you want to cut, if you want to cut this data, or you want to cut, that means Control X you can use from the keyboard, and also you can click over cut. If you paste it, suppose you want to paste it over here, I will click on paste. Now what you will see, the data get cut from the source. Okay, so difference between, if you want the data to be at both the places, then you should use copy paste, and you want the cut, you want to cut the data and paste it to a different location, then use cut. Okay, we have format painter. Okay, format painter, what format painter does, like in this, suppose in this date, okay, or suppose in this country I have done some formatting, like I have given a background color of yellow, I have changed the font to Bradley hand. Okay, and we have some size to it. If you want to copy this formatting at any other place, you can use format painter. Okay, just click on format painter, and here you want the same formatting I want over here. Now you can see the formatting is done as according to the country. But if you click for a single time format printer, then you can make the changes to only one cell. But at times you require changes to be done on many cells. Like I want to format this, and I want this formatting for this 3 or 4 cells. Okay, so I will just double click on format printer, and wherever I want I will click over there. Okay, and if you want to remove this formatter sign, now you can see the icon. Okay, it has changed of copy formatter. Okay, formatting. If you want to get it to a normal pointer, then press X from the keyboard. Now you can see plus sign is there. Now whenever you click, it will not format that cell. Okay, so we have seen cut, copy, format painter, and paste. Now we will see the different fonts kind of thing. Here we have in detail. If you click over here, you will get many options. Okay, like just to show you, if I have copied this data, Control C, and you can also from here copy. Then when you what happened over here is this data get stored in a clipboard that you can see over here. This is the data that I have copied. Okay, you can paste it also. You can paste where you want to paste. Like suppose you want to, you can do it from here also. Paste or data pasted. Okay, so whenever you are copying a data, it gets stored in a clipboard, and whenever you paste the data, that got deleted from over there. Okay, yeah, it is in the, now if you want to delete it, you can delete it. You can see over here under the clipboard whatever data you have copied, or even you cut, like I cut it, you'll able to see under clipboard. Okay, here you see. Okay, you can paste it at the same place or at a different place. Do at different place. Select the cell where you want to paste it. Okay, now we will see about the font options what we have. Okay, now suppose you want to change the font of first name. Okay, here I want to change, so we have plenty of option over here. You can just move the mouse over it, you'll able to see the changes. Okay, I want this to be Seb Jui or any other Rockwell, this. Okay, so you can change the font through here. Okay, if you want to make this to be bold, okay, bold, that means that that you want to make it more visible, you can use the bold option. You can click over here. Now you can see it got dark. If you want to change the size of the font, you can do like this. Okay, okay, if you want to change the shape to italics, click over here. It gets a sign of italic. If you underline the name, if you want underline the name, underline. If you want the double underline, you can also give double underline. Okay, if you want to give the border to all the names, all borders, we have many borders option. Left borders only if you want to give right borders, thick outside border if you want, like this. Okay, now if you want to change the color, if you want to change the color, let it to be purple. Okay, any other color. Okay, if you want to change the color of the font, here we have changed the color of the background. Okay, or you can say the color of the cell. If you want to change the color of the font, that DULC, it is now in, if you see, in black color. If you want to change it to red. Okay, now we have two options over here to increase the size 11, 12, and to decrease the size like this. Okay, so have these options. Okay, now suppose you want to give border to all, just go all borders. These are used frequently. Now we will see the options like, okay, for that I will just increase of the size, okay, of the second column. Now if you see, the font is at the bottom because what we have selected, if you see, the vertical alignment that we have selected is at the down. If you want it in the middle, just click over here. Okay, just at the top, click over here. This we called is vertical vertical arrangement of the cell. Okay, now you want on the left side, that is horizontal alignment, on the left, right, middle. Okay, if you want in some angle, okay, like you want to be in this direction, angle counter, now you can see. Okay, so we can if you give any like clockwise, you can this, you can do this. You can also do as per your requirement text. Yes. Okay, we'll go to this. Okay, So any alignment if you want to give, you can do it from here. That is the orientation. If you want to give some angle to the text, then you can do it from here. Here we have like big. From here you can also change it like this. Okay. Now we have an option of wrap text. Okay. What wrap text does, like when you are typing, my name is suppose Mara. Yes, Mara. Okay. So you can see over here. Here you can see like when you are typing your name, you are not able to see it properly. When you do wrap text, that means it will write the things whatever is allowed in this cell, and then after that it will move to the next line, like see. Okay, if you increase it, you're able to see. Okay, means like suppose in this cell I can write to some limited words, like okay. But when you enter, okay, as if you want to like after ngh, if you want in the next line, you can use wrap text. Okay, wrap text. Okay, like you want to combine these two tails, combine these two cells. Okay. At that time we can use merge and center. Merge and center. Okay, I want to combine both the cells, and remember whatever data it will be there on the top left, you can say, when you are merging the things for more than one item, more than one rows, then at that time it will always take the top row. Okay, top row column value. Okay. So if you want to change the the number formatting, here we have all the option available to number formatting. Okay, general. If you want to make the number, okay, to date format, let it be sorted. Okay, long date, it's in the date format. If you want to change the, like you want to give a dollar sign before it, before the id, you can use dollar. You can see dollar sign has given. If you want to decrease the value after dot, you can decrease it like this. Okay, if you want to increase, you can click over here. Depending on your requirement, you can increase and decrease. Okay, you want comma, okay, in this value if you want, give it. Okay. That is under accounting. Next option we have different formatting type. Okay, conditional formatting. Like if you want to highlight, okay, sales rules, like greater than 1500. Okay, let it be, take some value more, 4000. Okay, now you can see over here, okay, whatever values we have more than 4000 is highlighted. So we can do that through conditional formatting. Under conditional formatting we have many options that we will see in detail when I am going to create a particular video for conditional formatting. Okay, then we have format as a table. Okay, let's consider it as a table, and you want to give some formatting like this. This is the format. My table has headers. Okay, okay, now you can see it has given the shape of the table. Why we use table? Because when you converting your whole data into table, and when you apply a formula, okay, the formula get applied to all the rows. You don't have to write for every uh, if you see, if I say for every cell, okay, or for every row. Cell styles we have, want to change the styles and all. Okay, let's take the headers and we'll make some changes. Take this. Okay, you can see the changes according to it. So you can create your own style over here also. That's not an issue. You can create as per your requirement. Okay. Now we have insert, delete, and format. Okay. Let's insert a seat row. Okay, so you can see a row is inserted. If you want to insert a column in between age and date, just select over here. Yeah, you can okay, just place your in any cell, place your active cell, make any, choose your active cell. You can insert seat column. Now you can see a column is inserted before that. Okay, if you want to delete it, you can also do that. Delete seat column, delete it. Delete row column, delete. Okay, now we have option for row cell size and all. So here we have option like you want to hide this. Okay, hide the row. This will not be visible then. Now you can see the third row is not visible now. Okay, you can unhide it also. We will see we have many options over here. Auto column width, that is very important. Like if you suppose you have data in this way that is not aligned properly. Okay, at that time what you can do, you can keep your over here, you can select the data and you can like use auto fit column in, or you can also press alt plus o plus c plus a from the keyboard. When you do auto column fit, that data get organized, or it has column width is automatically set now. So this is very useful. When you get the data, you just do this. Okay, now we have options of formatting. We have row height, auto selection of the row height. Like my name is Mara, I will just see. So now you can see over here I am not able to see the complete details. So at that time you can use this option of row height, auto fit row height. Now you can see I can see the whole detail whatever is written in the cell. Okay, now we have same as column width. Okay, hide seat, rename the seat. Renaming a seat, you can either double click over here or you can give any name. Employee data, employee data, or you can do it from here also. Like format, rename seat. Now you can see format, rename seat. Now you can type employee. Okay, employee. Now we have seen this option. Now we will see for other things like other options what we have in format, like copy the sheet. That will if you want to make a copy of it, like you can also do it from right clicking from over here, or you can also use this format option. Okay, if you want to change the tab color, okay, we have the tab over here. You want to give any color to this employee at the background, you can do it from here. Like you want to give yellow color, I have given. Now you can see the color has changed to yellow. Okay, if you want to copy, we will see that copy one also, because we are in this video we are going to explore all the options available. So we have the option of move or copy sheet. Okay, move or copy sheet. What you want to copy the sheet. Okay, create a copy, that will create a copy, otherwise it will work as a cut. Okay, move to the end, where you want to move to that. Now you can see the same has been created, the same sheet has been created. Okay, now you can see two sheets over here. Yes, now we will see about in format what we have protect sheet. You can protect this sheet. It means that whenever someone is opening this sheet, they need to put a password. Okay, and we have format cells options also, that you can see in detail, like whatever we have in numbers. Okay, we have many options, that takes too much time. You need to go through all the options and look at what it does. Like all kind of formatting means this is a cell, whatever formatting you can do it. You can click over here format and format cells, or you can also press control 1 from the keyboard. Okay, now we have an option of auto sum. Okay, I will just align the data and I will take till 12. Okay, till 12, because I want to show that to you. So I will clear it. I cleared it. Okay, no problem. Now you can see if you want to do the sum of the IDs. Okay, that we have an option of auto sum. Just click on auto sum. it will automatically select the data, and when you press enter from the keyboard, you will get the answer. Now it is coming to be 36,227. Okay, that is the use of AutoSum. We have many things, like we can do the average of it, we can count numbers, we can find the maximum of all this, we can find the minimum. So depending on your requirement, like if I want to change, I want to check, okay, maximum age. Okay, I have done auto sum, I don't want the sum, I want maximum. Okay, I think they have done the summation over here, but what we want the maximum. Okay, so max function is used. Now we will select 58 is the age of a person, is a age of a person who is maximum, who has maximum age. Okay, so I will first remove all the, okay, now we have option of fill down, fill left, fill right. What does is what it does. Okay, and we have an option of slash fill also that you see over here. Fill down means, like if you have selected and you want 1582 and 1562 is copied to all the cells, okay, the same value, that is filled down. Now you can say the value has changed. If you want for the left side, for the right side, we have all the options. Like for the right, I will show, like I have Chile in United States and want United States over here, over here, over here also. I just use this fill option that is on the right side. Now you can see. Okay, so same way the left one and the up one works. Okay, now we have an option of flash fill, that is also very that is very common. Like I will just explain that. Like you want to add first name and the last name, get over here. So we generally use, we will write Philip 1. Okay, like the second one also. You can also see over here, this is the flash fill, or you can click Control E. Okay, that is the shortcut. You can see the data has come automatically, that is flash fill. Okay, you don't have to write full, you just have given one indication that I want first name to the last, first name plus last name, and in between you want a gap. You can also do this through concatenate function. Concatenate, concatenate. Okay, Philip comma on, or you want also the gap in between them, so I will use double quotes, a gap in between double quotes, because in Excel you need to write the text in double quotes. Okay, and okay, if I have not given the double quotes, like if you want to copy this, I will use my flash fill, that is fill at the down, it will automatically fill up the things. Okay, okay, now I will if I want to, like I want to copy this, will end no. Okay, I've used concatenate, so we can do through concatenate, the same thing also through concatenate. You can see. Okay, now we will see fill, we have seen that is the flash fill. Okay, now we will see the clear. Okay, we have done a lot of formatting over here. Okay, I want to clear all the comments. We will see how we can hyperlinks that will redirect it to a web page, that we will also see. Here we have done only the formatting, I will remove that. Content clear, it will delete everything, like clear content, everything is deleted. If you press Ctrl J, that is undo, whatever things that you have been last will be auto reback. Okay, now okay, I want to delete the formats. Formatting looks very weird now. Clear formats. Okay, all the format is clear. Now the data is also not looking that nice. No problem. Okay, so you can clear the formats also. Now we have an option of sorting up the things. I will remove the format from here. I will format this formatting over here, and I will do auto column bit. Okay, Alt O C I have used. It is always advisable to use shortcuts. Okay, now we will see. Now we will see. Now we will see the other option, that is sorting and filtering. Okay, like I will bit, just so at this point I want to see it. Okay, if you want the filtering to be done, like you want only to see who are the females working in this organization, at that time you can use Control Shift L, that is for filtering, or you can better you can click over here. Okay, I want to do the filtering. Now you can see the headers what we have. We got one icon uh, over here. Now I go to this drop down menu. Okay, select female first, unselect all, and then select female. Click on OK. Now you can see this icon has changed. Now it has got an icon of filter. Now you can see who are the females working. Now you want to see, like you want to do multiple filtering, like once you have filtered the female, then you want to see who are working in United States. Go here, you will see, select United States. Now you can see. So through this you can do filtering. So I will do control. Now we have option of sorting also. What sorting does, sorting will, like if you want to see the first name starting in an alphabetical order from A to Z, like first if name is Aman, then it should come first. If someone name is Vivek, then it should come after Aman. So filtering the data in alphabetical order, like I want to filter it, sort from, ask for expand the selection. That means ki if sorting is done for this, so automatically the value, other value, like if one dulls is there, so it should also sort according to the data available in other cells or in other rows. If you do continue with current selection, only this data will get this data will get, but according to it, the other data won't get changed, so that will not help us. So expanding the selection is the best option, because it will sort the data, and it will sort the whole data, not only this column data. Okay, like sort it. Now you can see, because we have a lot of available option over there, like I will select only this amount of data. Now this amount of data I want to filter, sort A to Z. Selection continue. I want to expand the selection. Now you can see this serials numbers has changed. Earlier it was in a numerical form, but we want this in this format. Now you can see it is done in ascending order, that is A to Z. If you want to uh, uh, change, if you want to sort the number, again the same way you want in. Suppose you want to select this data, I want the sorting to be done for this data only, and according to others, according to this data, other will also change. Okay, sort is smallest to large. Expand the selection, good, because otherwise if you continue with current, only this data will, only data in this column will get sorted. Okay, yes, now you can see. So in this way we do sorting and all. We have an option of find and select also. Like if you want to, like you want to see whatever, look, I will give you an example of adding the, okay, that we will see later, that comment part. Okay, I want to find, what I want to find, I want to find female. So female get fine. You will able to see that cursor will move to the female. You want to remove female from female, okay, or you can say from female to lady, okay. You can replace all at one time, all the names you can replace one by one, okay. So I will better prefer replace. So wherever it was a female, it has changed to lady. Now you can see, okay. So we have find, replace, and we have others option like go to, okay, and go to special. Let's choose go to special. It's very nice property we have, okay. Now you can see we have many uh, comments, constants, okay, blanks. If you want to see the blanks, all blanks will get selected, okay. And you want to delete all that blank, just press del from the keyboard or control minus. That will ask for better you do delete, okay. So whatever you can see, or if you want to write Amit, okay, control Z. So if you want to select the blank cell in your sheet, then you can use this go to special. We will see the go to special option in detail because it is very important. Through this we can do many tricks, okay. Now keeping, because we have to look at all the options available, we will go quickly. Pivot table, recommended pivot table, select the data first, okay. This is the data that is not required now. I will delete this data. This is the data I want to make pivot. You can get recommended option pivot table, okay. The data which I have selected, select a table or a range, it will automatically come over here. Now I want in a new sheet or existing, like take on existing worksheet, I want the pivot table data should come over here. I will click OK. Now you can say I can drag and drop things. Their id is Kaka. So through this we can create a pivot. Pivot is also a very important or analyzing tool that we will see in detail. Okay. Now we want to convert it into table, and I will show that what is the importance. Now suppose I want the ID to be added to this age. Okay. So I have to copy this formula everywhere to get the data. But if I have converted it into the table, okay, like I will take addition add, okay, let I will convert into the table. Then what will happen if I copy the data of one line item like this, then other will automatically get calculated. At the earlier time I have to just drag and drop the formula to all the cells. But if it is in the tabular form, if you write formula to one cell, the others will automatically get filled. Okay. Now I move to the range. Okay. Now we can add pictures, online pictures also, shapes. Let's take a shape. Let's take a box. We can create a box. You can format it. You can save fill the colors. Okay, just select it. If you want to write something, you can also write. You can take a text box and you can write Vivek. You can format it also. You can give the backgrounds like this. You can outline, save the outline also, save effects also, like it to be 3D rotations. So many things you can do. Okay, you can, whenever you have to make something a dashboard kind of a thing, here you want the interactive thing, that time you use all this thing. Okay, like pictures, if you want, if you have any picture, you can also get that done. Okay. Now special shapes also, that is for what you can say, whenever you are creating a very interactive presentation and all, at that time you use flowcharts and all those data you can get it from here. Let delete this. Okay, so you can also make charts from here. We have Like if I choose this two data, okay, and I will show for recommended charts. Now you can see how many persons, some age. So recommendations are also there, or you can create your own also. We have many options of the chart over here. Okay. This slicer timeline, all this will come when you create chart. These are the options available with the chart. Now it is not. You can also add a link. Okay, that is from control K. Suppose you want to add a link over here. Like, now you want this to link to a web page. When you click someone like www.google.com. Okay. Okay. Now when you click over here, it will be redirected to a web page. That is adding to, now you can see. Okay, Google has been opened up. Okay. Then we have options of text box that we have seen. You can add headers and footers also. Okay, so whenever you are printing the things, okay, whenever you are printing the things, you want the header to be fixed, or you want to write the page number, you want to write the title of the document on every page, you can do all this through header and footers. Okay, close the design mode. Okay, so that is the view. Then we can also add symbols and all. Like in this field, I will just choose the, okay, if you want to add the symbol, you have many options. Any symbol you can add. Like I will use this is for pound sign, pound 125. Insert this pound. Okay, close. Like this. So you can insert any equation, mathematical equations. You have a lot of option over here. Equations. A is equal to pi r square. Okay, this is the area of the circle. So depending on your requirement, you can add the equations, symbols and all. Okay, we have option of word out also. That is very common to, you can save format your text. And we have option of page layout. Here we can see the page themes. Okay, these are the pre-default themes available. Colors also, any color. Like I have this date. I will first clear this too. I'm using control minus from my keyboard, so it will get, I want to delete it personally. Okay, select this. Now we have option of page layout. If you see others option, you can create your own margins. This is required when you are taking the printout. Okay, size, which size, A4 size, A3 size, letters. So we have the, and you can also select the print area. Okay, if you want to add the break, that break will help when you printing the data. That will create the things in the next line or in the next page. So such things can be, you can add a background image also. Okay, so we have all the option. Like if you want to see the grid lines, and if you don't want, like if you have created the dashboard, you want it in the black colors, you don't want the heading also, so you can do all those things from here. Okay, if you are working with any object, you want to bring it forward or bring it backward, then you can do it through all these options. Okay, now we have the formulas. Okay, you can insert any form functions, like from over here, insert some function. Let add this or number 2, this. Okay, so we have all kind of mathematical function over here. So depending on our requirement, you can, like you can create your own functions, or you can use the functions available. Okay, now we have very important data options, where you will see a lot of things. You can directly import anything from the web page in an Excel. That suppose you are watching a cricket scores in Clipboard, and you want to get that data to this Excel. Okay, so that also you can do from any text. Access is a database. Okay, if you want to get all the data from an Access database, you can do it through here. Okay, like we will do for the Access. Maybe I have any data from the Access. Okay, we have one database. Okay, which data? Let's take uh, last login detail. Okay, these are the tables available. Okay, existing. These are the table you can see. Okay, through this we have all these options over here, and now we will see we can that is a database. Okay, simply from other sources also we have from SQL, that is again a database, because in database all the data are stored in the form of tabular. Okay, in tabular form all the data. Okay, refresh all is used when you have done pivot table and you have made again the changes in the raw data, and then you come back to the pivot table. At that time you want the data to refresh it, so you can use refresh all at that time. We have same filter, and here we have an advanced option of the filters. Like if we select Control A, then I can show advanced. Okay, so here we have the options of duplicate, removing the duplicate data and all that. We will see everything in detail. I'm just giving the glimpse of the section. Okay, that's the data we have over here. If you want to remove duplicate, okay, in this cell, like I will copy the data over here. Now we know we have only two data in this column, like lady, male and all. Okay, so if you want to just see the unique values in this column, just go for remove duplicates. Flash fill we have seen, remove duplicate in the column K. Okay, I want, now you can see only two unique data are available in this cell. Okay, now you can also see the data validation. What data validation does, like when you are entering a data, okay, if you have given any validation, like it should contain, like if you see I will apply a data validation, any value. No, I want the whole number. Okay, between 0 to 100, whole number 0 to 100. If you input, now I have given one validation over here that it can input, you can input only the value between 0, the whole number between 0 to 100. If you write 95, it will take. Okay, but if I try to write 195, it is more than 100, it won't take. It does not match. Yeah, here you can see this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay, this is the data validation. But that we will also do. We can create your own messages also in data validation and all, and you can have many option over here. Okay, then grouping, ungrouping of the data, like if you want to group this. Okay, let group it. So group. So now you can see a group is created. If you click over here, that data get hidden. If you plus it, you will able to see. So grouping is also required when you want the things to be placed in a simple group, the same or the same things, like the same options available related to each other are placed in a group. Here you can also do grouping for your data and ungrouping in the same way. Okay, let's ungroup it, that is not required. No problem. Now we will see the review. Here review, that will check for the comments. Here we have very important, if you want to give the comment, like do this, you want to like any comment. He is an engineer, so this is the comment you can give. Okay, I've given the comment over here. Okay, you can move the comments, like if you have given comments over here, you comment well, so you can like move your data. Like I want to go to the next comment. Okay, next comment is over here like this. Okay, so I have given the comment, so all comment. If you want to see all the comment at one place, now click over here. So here, from here you can move also. Spelling, to check spelling are correct or not, or you can add that also to the dictionaries and all. So it depending on your inputs. You want to protect this set only, you can use this. If you want to complete the protect the whole workbook, means when anyone is opening, because workbook is a collection of worksheet. Like this workbook consists of three worksheets, this much, okay. So it is complete. If you see completely, it is a workbook, and a single sheet we call it. So depending on your requirement, you want to just hide this sheet, or you want to hide the complete workbook, okay. So depending on that, you do this protection and all. Sharing the workbook, if you want to share with any other person directly through email and all, then you can also share it from here. Now we have options of view, okay. That is a normal view. Here we are in the normal view. You can also take, this is the print view, that this data will get printed on page 1, page 2, like that, okay. So in view we can see, you want the grid lines, okay. You want to see the formula bar, this we call it formula bar, okay. Here we able to see the sale address. Means my, I suppose my active sale is over here, that is on the C and 12, that is on the C column and the 12th row. So the data address and with the active sale address will be seen over here, okay. Here we can see the where we write the formula of it. So whatever you don't want to see the formula, yes, I want to see the grid lines, this grid lines, okay. Headings are also required, so better you see the headings and all. Zoom to selection. One very important thing over here we have, if we see, here we have is one very important thing over here we have is freezing the pane. Suppose we have like I will show that. Suppose we have a lot of data if we go down, but here you will able, here you can see that the headers is not fixed, it is going down. So you, if you want to freeze the headers, like when you are moving up the large data and at that time you want to see the headers in all the pages, okay. So you can freeze it over here. Like I will share, we have freeze panes, okay. For each top row, you can see. Now if you move down, the row will not move, the headers will not move. I can see, okay, this data belongs to the gender column, this data belongs to the age column, okay. Now we have for each, means we have seen, we have switch windows when we are working with and a lot of excels. Like I will create one and control, and I will use from the keyboard, and I will try to move through switch windows. Okay, I want to move to book one, okay. I want to move to Excel basics, okay. You can move, or you can also use alt tab, okay. Now we have a macro, okay. What macro does, this is the coding part, where the VBA comes in picture, where you write your own code. You can make, just to give you an example, we can make a complete software in an Excel, okay. Maybe it is for any legal contract management tool, or maybe HR, payroll management, any kind of software you can make through this macros. But this macros are auto written. But when you do a bulk coding, and if you don't know, have the knowledge of VBA and coding, you can create a whole, what you can run a complete business. If I say through Excel, you can create your own softwares and all that we will also see, because I am also creating VBA coding Excel part, where I have created a contract management tool for the legal. So in that, everything is written. You can send reminders, you can send emails also through this software, okay. And the complete workflow structure is also made, so that video you can also see in my channel, okay. So we have gone through all the basics and all. If you want to see the seats and all, we have others option over here, okay. We'll see view code, that will move you to the VBA code and all, protecting the seat, hiding the seat. You can hide this seat also. You can see the second seat is hidden. If you want to unhide it, unhide this seat. Like we have many options. You can zoom the data also, depending on it. I want to make it more visible, okay. So we have a lot of options over here. If you will see, like we have options. Okay, we have one over here. So I'm just saying we will see everything in detail. Is just a overview, just to give you a hands up, like what the Excel is and what are the things can we do. Like this is that important. The Excel is very important to learn because everything, even a finance person, use all the Excel tricks and all to get the data sorted and to get the data refined. Or you can see even the audit team and even each and everything one in the organization use Excel. Okay, this is the must or very must requirement for the person who is working in any organization. Or you can do a lot of things if you go deep into it. You can learn a lot of things. You can export data from the whenever you are taking data, or you can say dump from any of the software that will come in tabular form, even in the database or in SAP. When you take the data, it will come in tabular form, and all the analyzing, all the filtration, all the sorting, all the calculation are done in Excel. So Excel is very important to learn. You should give time in learning it. Okay, now if you see, we have seen very basic things. We have just seen the options available, but inside it you will able to find a lot of things. Like you can see here, you can give a strike through. Like let's see some more. Like I select this data, I want to do the formatting of it. We have option of a strike through. Okay, given a strike through, bold, italic. You can change the color also. Let's change the color also. Okay, let's see what happens. Now you can see it is in a very light color. You can do a lot of things. You can feel it. You can feel the colors. That is the background color, you can say. Yet I will do something dark. Let font to be not this color. To get it, let it be black only. Okay, this is the strike through. So in Excel we can do a lot of things that we need to just we have just seen the, you can say, the trailer and the options, various options available. But if you go like in more details, you will find a lot of option. You can create your own software in Excel, if I say. Okay, now we will see others option also. Okay, so like comment you have seen, like I have added I think two comments in this. Okay, so if you want to see the comment that we have seen, like go special. Okay, fine, select go to special. Now we will see formulas. Where are formulas? Okay, I will click OK. No cells were found with formulas because we have not added any formula in this. Okay, so what we have done, like we have gone through, we will see the save option also. Save as. You want to open any existing Excel, or if you want to save this Excel, you can do all this. You can also do save as and all. I think all these are pretty. You can also take the print out and all, like print will come in this way. We have also the setup for the prints. Like you want to change the orientation to landscape. Okay, I want to change the page size to executive, and I want to give more margins and all. Okay, how many pages I want to print. So there are many things you can if you explore it more, you will able to see it. Okay, we have others option also, that is the setting part. Okay, the formulas, how it will look like, proofing, saves, many options we have. So what any option like is not available, you can get that done. Like you can customize your ribbon. So in ribbon we have home, insert tab. If you want to activate the developer tab, just click on developer. Okay, yeah, a new tab has been created. You can create your own tabs also, and whatever options you are using, you can create a tab, and you can you can create your tab with your name and whatever common option you are using. Just create that group over here. Okay, so we have like directly sharing it, like publishing. We can see our details and all. Okay, See, we have a lot of option. This details you can also, these are the popular command. If you see macros, file tab, all kind of tabs. So whatever you will not able to get it, you can get this from here. Okay. That we will also cover how to get the things which are required, or how can you activate the developer tab and all while create the codes and the things. Okay. So this is the just a glimpse of Excel and some options that I have shown ki how you do it and all. I want to give the borders. We have many option again for the borders. You want only first of all I will remove all the borders. I will remove the border. I want no borders. No borders is given. I want to give the border to only this place, and only I want top and down borders. Like you can see, top border you want, all border outside, or you can create your own borders also. More order in this way. Suppose you want the border to be here, border to be here, and the border to be here. Yeah, only at this place, and you want to change the style also. You want this, you want to change the color also, let it be red. Let's see what happens now. Now you can see red color. Okay, so in this way you can do a lot of thing in Excel. These are all the basics. We will see everything in more detail in short videos of each topic. Like I'm gonna to create one video for the clipboard that will consist of only the best special options, save as options. So all the options whatever we will see, the every possibility that will come, that you can do through it. Okay, that we will see. And other options we have, like you can also create the whole software. That is the, again we will I will give the some glimpse on Excel BVA, that is Visual Basic Application. Okay, that is very, and conditional formatting is one of the very important, if you see, one of the very important, you can say one of the very important functionality we have. Like if I want to use the conditional and want to see the top 10 percentage or top 10 items, and I want that to be colored in, let in green fill with the dark green text. Now you can see, you can filter it now. Filter the data by color. Okay, now you can see. So here we have a lot of data. If you see, like I have done the filtration through color. You can also do the filtration with colors. We have also number filters over here. First I will remove the filter from here, and I will show that what we can do. We can do number filters also. Like I want to see uh, between any number between 1000 to 2000, between 1000 to 2000, let it be 3000. Now you can see the data get filtered. So we have many options for filtration also, and for sorting. The, the most important thing that we do in Excel is through filtering, through sorting, through pivot tables, through charts, interactive charts. You could check for conditional formatting. These are the very important, if you see the options available in Excel, which help you in analyzing the data, because everything is data. You need to know how to get all this data analyzed. Okay, like you want to, if you are running a business, then you have prepared suppose HR details, like employee details in one, how much salary, how many days they have worked, some kind, and some calculation you can do it. You can create your pay slips also through Excel. So I recommend everyone to go in detail and learn a lot about Excel, because that will help you, even you are running your own business, or even you are working in an organization, anywhere. This is very important. You must have this knowledge, because, or whatever important thing is that ki Microsoft is installed now in every system. You'll get this basic detail when you are purchasing any laptop. It will be pre-installed for you. So if you do analysis, if you do calculation, if you do anything, that can be done through Excel. That is very important. So I request everyone to give more time to this and try to get all the videos covered which I have created, and see like how much you can apply to your business or to your organization. We will see. I am also gonna to create the tricks that we have 100 numbers of tricks that can help us in getting the analyzing done or filtration done in a very short time. Okay, so we will see everything in detail and all in our next videos. Okay, I think it is enough for today. Like, I just wanted to give you the glimpse. I hope all are cleared, and just don't panic. We will see everything in all detail. And if you really like the video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.